How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. After that, open up your Instagram application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you find the option of data uses and media quality over here. Tap on it. Then you just need to toggle off this option named as use less data or data saver. So just turn it off. And if you want to turn off this auto scroll on Instagram Reels, you can just toggle it on back and it will be going back to your previous feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed and loved watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.